Welcome back. In today's video we're going to be working on this 2004 Honda Odyssey that has a multiple misfire issue. And as you can see, this van is on its last leg, but let's see if we can get it working. Alright, let's talk about what happened. So while driving the van started bucking. It was a lot rougher at idle, and while driving down the road it kind of smoothed out, but still was not perfect and consumed a lot more fuel. Back to our code reader here. Like I said, I got this off Amazon for like $100 or something. And we're going to hit OK. And let's read our codes. Hit OK. Oh, we need to go down and select Honda. Our first code is cylinder 1 misfire. Hit over. Cylinder 2 misfire. Cylinder 4 misfire. And cylinder 5 misfire. And this is the issue I've been chasing for a while. This is going to be unrelated, but there is an evap leak that I haven't been able to figure out yet. And then another one we get is a random multi-cylinder misfire detected. This one, I could not find it. And then we go back to an evap leak. So then are our codes. Let's talk about it. So from this point forward, I'm thinking something ignition related off just first glance. So what I'm going to do is get our multimeter and we're going to ohm out some coals. And before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and just erase our codes. That way we will start fresh. You can see our check engine light is gone now. And so going through our listing here, something I am noticing that the A to B and A to C are the same on all of them except for number 2. Oh, come on. Give us a code. Tell me what cylinder it is. There we go. It's flashing. I want to escape. I already put this in once. Why would I have to put this in again? Cylinder 4. That's a good one. Let's see what our math, our numbers tell us. So something I realized was since we didn't know the correct firing order, we need to look it up. And so you see the arrow is the front of the engine, and number 4 is what I was calling number 1. So it's saying number 1 or number 4 is this one, which would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crank pulleys here, front of the car. See the radiator cap. So we got a spark plug tool. Hopefully that'll work, being this is number 1 or number 4. The radiator support, and hopefully this multi-tool will work also for the Allen heads that are here. That's too small. The largest one we have is a 6mm, and boom, so 6mm loosens up that Allen head. Whew. What I'm seeing is a lot is oily, but they don't look horrible. And they do look like I changed them. They don't look like, and I got the lithium grease on it. So it's definitely probably a misfire on that. So knowing that, and see how wet it is, it's probably not firing all that. Let's look at the cylinder next to it and see. Well, that's where it's at. You see that spark plug looks perfectly clean compared to the other one. So we know cylinder 4 was our misfire, and all we're going to do is get a coil pack. Oh look, yeah. So it looks like some type of OEM name. So just need a coil pack. I think it's O'Reilly's. It was like $59. I'm going to try to price it out somewhere else cheaper, and it's hopefully is as simple as that. So we'll pick it up with the coil pack in hand. All right, let's go to the store and get us a coil pack. Needs a tune, guys, needs a tune. Had to do some shuffling around with vehicles, but we're ready now. All right, off to the store I go, and I'll see y'all in a few with some parts. Home sweet home. Okay, so here's our anti-seize. Do not think more is better, because what you don't want the anti-seize to get into your engine. It can cause other issues with your ignition system. Just make sure you go up, see about 1/4 inch on your threads, and then put your anti-seize. And then all I did was just take the tip of our dielectric grease and just put a little smidge in there. It doesn't need a whole lot. And that's really all you need, other than just taking the old parts and putting the new ones in. So let's go do that now. Let's crank our van. Oh yeah, so much smoother. It is amazing what one spark plug can do to make a engine run so bad. And the scary part is, like I said, it's almost 70 miles that this vehicle went with number 4 skipping like that. I forget how powerful this car is for a V6. I daily drive a Honda Civic, so it is night and day. And that noise you hear in the background is me rolling up the windows. The other thing is this thing was drinking gas apparently. Turn on the AC. It's super hot here in the south. Okay, yeah, it feels really good. Good stuff. That was an easy fix, and I'm glad y'all. If you've made it this far in the video, you're amazing. I do appreciate it. At this point of the channel's life, we just got over 1,000 subs. So happy, such a milestone for this channel. I really hope this helps somebody. Please subscribe if you're not. It really helps us keep the momentum and motivation for me. Please leave a comment. I love y'all's comment. I try to reply to everything that I can be beneficial to. If I don't know the question, I leave it out there. I say I don't know. But I try to comment to everybody, and please like the video. And please let me know if you like the production of this video. That would be very helpful. We've upgraded our inventory, I guess you could say. We got 3 GoPros now. 2 are older generations, but that's fine. And we just got a drone. So please let me know how you like the production and editing. We're trying to step it up and just make this a better channel and just have fun. Thank y'all.